Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all doing fine. So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and we are going to study from Feathercap, People and Places. And we are on chapter number 7, that is Festival we Celebrate. So we have covered the half part of the chapter in the previous video and we are going to continue the next part in this video. I hope you are all ready with your books. In this part, we are going to cover family festivals and harvest festivals. So please get ready. So first, in we have already covered religious festivals and national festivals. So now let's get started with harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are ready to be harvested. So harvest festivals तब celebrate किए जाते हैं जब जो crops होती हैं वो harvest करने के लिए काटने के लिए ready हो जाती हैं. These festivals often include religious beliefs and rituals. So ये जो festivals है इनका एक अपना कोई religious belief होता है, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ religious significance होता है या belief होता है जिस वजह से हम इन्हें celebrate करते हैं. For example, Holi is a harvest festival in North India and Baisakhi is celebrated in Punjab. So North India में जो होली होता है that is a harvest festival and जो बैसाखी है which is celebrated in the month of April, I think that is celebrated in Punjab. During Holi and Baisakhi, people sing and dance with joy as they celebrate the harvest of crops like wheat and barley. So, होली और बैसाखी के टाइम पे जो लोग होते हैं वो इस फेस्टिवल को बहुत ज़्यादा डांस और म्यूजिक के साथ एंजॉय करते हैं. टू सेलिब्रेट, ये किस चीज़ को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? दैट द क्रॉप्स आर रेडी टू हार्वेस्ट लाइक ऑफ wheat and barley. So, Holi is a harvest festival of North India. Baisakhi is a harvest festival of Punjab. So Holi and Baisakhi are celebrated at the harvesting time of the wheat and barley. So जो होली और बैसाखी हैं ये सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं जब wheat और barley रेडी हो जाती हैं हार्वेस्ट करने के लिए. People sing and dance with delight. So लोग बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी के साथ डांस करते हैं और सिंग करते हैं, इस तरीके से इन फेस्टिवल्स को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. Next is Basant Panchami. Basant Panchami is celebrated before Holi. So Basant Panchami is celebrated in the month of February. It is celebrated in the beginning of Basant. जब बसंत आता है to welcome the spring season, the Basant Panchami is celebrated. Girls wear yellow sarees and dance joyfully. और जो yellow color है उसका बसंत पंचमी पे बहुत ज़्यादा significance है. So girls wear yellow sarees और dance joyfully. Saraswati, the goddess of learning, is also worshipped on this day. So जो goddess सरस्वती है इनकी पूजा की जाती है बसंत पंचमी वाले दिन. Next is Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala state. So every state has in the southern side, every state has their harvest festival. So of Kerala state we have Onam. It falls in the August or September. So जो ओनम होता है that is the harvest festival of Kerala and it is celebrated in the month of August and September. So in Kerala Onam is celebrated. People wear new clothes and give feasts. So जो लोग होते हैं नए नए कपड़े पहनते हैं और feast देते हैं. Feast like they do dinner along or they take one meal along. Decorated elephants can be seen. So इस दिन elephants को decorate किया जाता है. There is music all over the place. हर जगह music होता है, dance होता है. Boat races are held. So you might have seen these pictures in your book. This is known as long boat race. और boat race जो होती है ओनम के टाइम पे की जाती हैं. So our next festival is Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. It is a harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu and Onam in Kerala. So it falls in January at the harvesting time of rice. So जब rice harvest होने के लिए ready हो जाते हैं तब हम पोंगल celebrate करते हैं. It is celebrated for 3 days. So it is a festival of 3 days. The rain god, the sun god and the mother cow are worshipped. So these are the 3 gods which are worshipped. The mother cow is worshipped, the sun god is worshipped and the rain god is worshipped. A special dish which is pongal rice is made from the rice and jaggery. So jaggery that is good और चावल से एक पोंगल राइस जो होता है स्पेशल डिश है जो इस फेस्टिवल में बनाई जाती है. And next is last is your family festival. So we have completed the harvest ones. Now birthdays and wedding days are family festivals. जो हमारे birthdays होते हैं या फिर wedding days होते हैं, they are known as family festivals. We invite our relatives and friends to the party. So हम party पे अपने friends और relatives को invite करते हैं. And other is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated to show the strong bond of love between sister and a brother. So Raksha Bandhan क्यों celebrate किया जाता है? To show the bond between a sister and a brother. Sister ties Rakhi on brother's wrist. So we all the sisters tie Rakhi on the brother's wrist to ensure their security by the brother. The celebration of festival teaches us to live together happily and peacefully. So जो celebration होते हैं festivals के हमें क्या सिखाते हैं? To live happily and peacefully, to live together happily and peacefully. So we have completed the chapter. I hope everything is clear till now. Now we are going to move to the exercise. First, take the correct answer. Teachers' Day is celebrated on. So Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September. Next, Chacha's Nehru birthday is celebrated as Chacha Nehru loved children. So his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Third, which is called the Festival of Colors. So as we all know, Holi is the festival of colors. Pongal is the harvest festival of. So Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. B part, fill in the blanks with the words given below. Fourth, on dash, prayers are held in the churches. So on Christmas, prayers are held in the churches. Next, Onam is the harvest festival of. So we have learned Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. Third, harvest festival of Tamil Nadu is. So what is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu? It is Pongal. Fourth, Guru Nanak's birthday celebrated as. So Guru Nanak's birthday celebrated as Gurpurab. Fifth, the dash takes the salute of Republic Day parade. So we have learned the President takes the salute of Republic Day parade. Match the following. So Basant Panchami. Basant Panchami, it is related to the season because we welcome the spring season. Second is Raksha Bandhan. So Raksha Bandhan is a festival of a love between a brother and a sister. Third, Independence Day. So Independence Day is a national festival. Fourth, Pongal. Pongal is a harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Fifth is Mahavir Jayanti. So Mahavir Jayanti, it is a birthday of a great man. So next, let's move to the D. Write the name of the festival when first the earthen lamps are lighted. So earthen lamps are lighted with oil on Diwali. So write Diwali. Next, tree is decorated with gifts, lights and tinsel, etc. So we all know that on Christmas we decorate the tree, Christmas tree with gifts, lights and tinsels. Third, boat races are held. So boat races festival is a Onam. It's Onam, harvest festival. Fourth, there is a parade in the capital city. So parade is held on Republic Day, which is a national festival. Fifth, sister ties a Rakhi on brother's wrist. So that is Raksha Bandhan. E part, write the names of the festivals celebrated on these dates. So first is 26th January. So we have learned on 26th January, Republic Day is celebrated. Second is 15th August. So on 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day, right? So write Independence Day here. I hope you all have learned the dates by now. Next is your 2nd October. So 2nd October is also Gandhi Jayanti. That is also a national festival. Fourth is 14th November. So 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day. That is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. 5th September. 5th September is Teachers' Day. It is the birthday of our former president, Dr. R.S. Radhakrishnan. So we have completed the E exercise as well. Now we will move to the F1. Name the kinds of festivals. So as we all know, there are 4 kinds of festivals. So first is national festivals, second religious festivals, third harvest festivals, and fourth family festivals. I hope everything is clear. Second, what are national festivals? So national festivals are those which are celebrated by the whole nation to celebrate the national festivals. So they are our national festivals, which is that is Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Third part, when do we celebrate Republic Day? So we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. I'm gonna write it here, 26th January. Another, why is Diwali called the festival of lights? So who will tell me that why it is called the festival of lights? You're right. As we all know, on Diwali we decorate our houses with lot of lights, diyas, and other things. So that was Diwali is known as the festival of lights. And Ramji also came from his exile after 14 years. So people welcomed him by lighting the diyas all around. So it is known as the festival of lights. So fifth part, what do festivals teach us? So festivals teach us to live together happily and peacefully. So I hope everything is clear till now. If you have any problem, you can watch the video again. That is the skill development part. You can do it yourself. I hope you don't have any doubt. If you have any doubt, you can watch the video again. Thank you so much. Happy learning.